So guys, you can see this is the hardware USB to TTL device. This is our NEOM 6M GPS module, and this over here is the antenna. It is sending the data, and this LED represents the data is being sent. Let me show you whatever we are receiving here. So you can see that here we are getting the data packets. See, after 1 second it sends the data by default. It's a new out of factory, so by default it has the same setting. So let me clear and get you one packet. See, here this is the packet. Now I am sitting in the basement of my house, so I am not getting much signals for the GPS. So this here you will get the latitude, then you will have the longitude. You can simply copy paste this in the Google and it will tell you that this is the standard protocol for a GPS module. So one of these between the comma is the latitude value, then longitude value, then so on. So you can do that, simple as that. Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video I will show you how you can read data from NEOM 6M GPS module using USB to TTL device. So let's get started. So guys, this is our NEOM 6 GPS module. As you can see, it is easily available in the market and it's a UART interface device. You can see that. Let me relabel the pin. The top one is a ground, then you have TX, RX and the VCC. TX and RX pins represent that it's a UART based device. It is very simple to use. Now let me show you how you can fetch the data from it to the computer in just 2 minutes. So this is our USB to TTL device, easily available in the market. You can use any FT232, CH340, CP1102, but whichever you use, remember to install the driver of that device into your Windows before you connect it. Now guys, let me relabel this USB to TTL device as well. The topmost pin, if you hold it like this, is the ground, then we have RX, TX, 3.3 volt, VCC and the 5 volt pin. Now guys, to connect it with the NEOM 6M GPS module, what you have to do is that you connect the ground directly with the ground of the NEOM 6M like this. And then guys, for the TX pin of the NEOM module, you will connect it to the RX pin of your USB to TTL device. And then the RX pin of the NEOM 6M module will go to the TX pin of the USB to TTL device like this. Then guys, the VCC pin of the NEOM 6M GPS module will go to the VCC pin of your USB to TTL device like this. In this way, our connections are completed. So guys, simple as that. Now let me introduce you to the hardware before we move on to fetching the data. So guys, this is the hardware. See that this is the NEOM 6M module that I have over here. You can see that it is the same as shown in the presentation. See, and then this over here is its antenna. It comes with the module, and this is the CH3 or FT232 USB to TTL device I am using here. So let me connect it to the computer. So let's see what happens. Okay, as soon as it is connected, you see the blue LED starts blinking. This is the receiver LED. This means that data is being received after every 1 second. Now let's get to our micro C for PIC and we use our terminal to see what is the data we are getting here. So let me turn on the micro C for PIC. This is our micro C for PIC. So let me zoom in so you guys can see better. So as you can see that in the tools, go to the tools, you have here USART terminal, click on it and here select the port, whichever the port it is on which your device is connected, COM8, set the baud rate to 9600 and clear any previous data, click on connect. Okay, see, we are receiving the data. See, now you can decode this data by going to the datasheet, or you can simply place this thing onto your internet. So let me get one packet and show you what it is. So here you have this GPRM. See, this line contains all the data. Now here after every comma you are getting the data. I am sitting inside the basement of my house, so that's why I am not getting any data because signal is too weak. If you are outside, you will get your data over here. Like this will be the latitude, longitude. You can just copy paste it in the Google and see which of the data belongs to which. Like this is latitude, this is longitude, and this is whatever. So simple as that. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this connecting to the USB to TTL device, you can ask me in the comment section. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you very much for your time guys and have a nice day.